Inventory warehousing proceeds as follows. First, inbound acceptance. Next, items are sorted. Systems then map items to their locations in the warehouse or in data storage. AI-driven inspection and optimization performs grouping, dynamic loading, determines transport via autonomous guided vehicle, autonomous mobile robot, and/or a shuttle rack system, selects the fastest routing option. Finally, items arrive at their designated and optimal storage space. The logistics system functions as follows. Orders are processed, tasks are created, and AI-optimized scheduling handles execution as well as sorting and picking. Next, items are retrieved, and the fastest routing option is selected between autonomous guided vehicles, autonomous mobile robots, or rack-traversing robots. Items are then grouped, and algorithms perform the following inspection and optimization processes: storage relocation, and rejects and returns. Items proceed to packaging, which includes weight and size scanning, AI then performs scheduling and routing, which may also include stacking optimizations prior to shipping.